Different day, same shirt.
Different day, same shirt. Yeah.
Mine's different. I don't have Batman.
We dirty in this thing right here.
You dirty. You should have seen him 5 seconds ago before he turned on the fucking camera. He's all up in his nose.
I gotta make sure my nose was clean for.
He was all up in there. He was all up in that.
I was trying to find you some stuff.
I don't want nothing you're giving away. Hi guys, it's the Steph and Steph show.
Little do you know, it's the Steph, Mannie, and Mannie show.
It really is. I just wanted to show you guys real quick something that Mannie had ordered me. We had our pictures done. I don't know if you guys looked on our Instagram, but we've had our family pictures done. And the lady that that works with us gave us this really awesome site. What is it?
She recommended a couple sites, but sites.
Snipes. Professor Snipe!
She recommended a couple sites.
Sipes, yo, we was on them websites and stuff, son. Okay, she recommended websites for us to go and order our pictures off of. And there was this one that she really highly recommended. What is it?
Snapfish.
Snapfish. And it's amazing. And I wanted to show you, this wasn't from any of the pictures that we took. This is just my all-time favorite picture of Mannie. I wanted a blanket. I've always wanted a blanket, but really not of Mannie, but I got one anyway. And I just wanted to show you the quality of it. That way you guys, I gotta make sure it's not upside down. That way you guys, for Christmas ideas, like what was it? It said it was like $80 and it was actually on sale for $7. And it's a 50 by 60.
Plus shipping, it was $18.
I don't really have much room here. As long as I am, I'm 5'6" and a half. But this is the quality. Like if you look at it, look at them nostrils, look at the detail in them boogies. And you can. Boogies. But this is one part of it. You know, you guys know the picture where he took. He looks like he's
Baby Joker.
Baby Joker, and he's got my little bull terrier plush right there. But it's like I said, it's as long as me. Well, almost as long as me, minus the head if you'd cut my head off. But the quality anyway. It's not about how long it is. It's the quality, and it's great quality. As you can tell, it's not pixelated. It's not crappy. It's not like you can rub on it and it doesn't change colors. Like, the quality is amazing. It's super soft.
And we got it pretty fast, too.
And we got it, I want to say he ordered it over the weekend, and we got it,
Today.
Yeah. And so just maybe some Christmas ideas for friends and family, or putting your, your dog's picture, family picture. Anyway,
she also recommended Shutterfly and Snapfish both. They both have basically similar stuff to them. You can do coffee mugs, you can do frames, you can do blankets, pillows. You
can do anything. You can even do your mom's. I'm just kidding. But seriously, I mean, this was taken on an iPhone 6s Plus, this picture.
On the front camera.
On the front camera on Snapchat. And it's not, like I said, by any means, I'll have to take a big picture and post it up on my Instagram, Steph041607, and show you guys the quality is simply amazing. I mean, I thought, because we bought an Overwatch bath mat. And it looked really good on the picture. And then we got it, right? And if you, like, rub it up, because it's memory foam, and it's made out of the soft material, if you rub it up, it all turns this, like, funky. You can't even see the picture. And if you brush it down, you can barely see and make out the characters. This is nothing like that.
It wasn't very detailed.
Yeah.
We bought it off Amazon.
They said, even the picture, when we showed them the picture that we wanted on the online thing, they said it was, what'd they say?
They said the quality wasn't the greatest if we still wanted to use it.
Yeah, and I wanted to use it because that's my all-time favorite movie with my all-time favorite dog, and he looks like him, and it was just my favorite. So I wanted that picture, and I said, why not? Because he was just joking. He was like, well, what if we made it this way? Would you like it? And I was like, well, I want it just like that. He's like, you serious? I'm like, yeah. So I ended up ordering it, and I'm really glad he did because I love blankets. I collect them, but this one's awesome. It's soft. It's amazing. It's big enough to wrap up in. You can see the picture clearly. I haven't washed it. If I wash it and it messes up, I'll let you guys know and keep you guys updated. But other than that, check it out. What is it? Snapfish?
Yep.
Definitely for anybody that's into photography or printing out your own pictures or extra school pictures, whatever you want to print up and put on. Check it out. It's quality and the price is right. And they have sales, so hey.
Yeah, every month they have different sales. So just keep an eye out. Maybe something you like will go on sale. If not, check the other site, Shutterfly. Anyways, thank you guys. Remember to follow Steph on her Instagram and my Instagram. We'll put it down on the bottom. And also follow our joint account, Steph And Mannie, if you guys feel like it. And we got Twitter, and that's about it. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you for your time. Have a good one.
Manny's got a nude page too. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Check us out! Cuddy Dean! You!